Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, my 2014 Wrangler JKU on the rear suspension build. We're going to install the rear Falcon shocks. I got this big box that barely fits in my garage, but those are the bad boys right there. So this is where the fun begins. If you are just mounting to your regular factory mounting bolts, you will need these that are in the kit already supplied. However, since I got the Falcon HD skid plate, I had to get that out and put this new one in for the installation. Now I find by reading the instructions, Teraflex actually has really good instructions. Our Falcon, I should say, is going to beat this out with a mallet and then oil this up and press it in with a press. So if you don't have a press, you're probably going to be in a lot of hurt. So let's get that set up. Put a cloth or something down on there so you don't damage it, and then a few blows and it comes out. I'm going to take this bushing right here and put a light dab of oil on it just to make it go in easier. So I got my press set up right there with a socket so I can press it through. So now I'm going to carefully get my bushing in that placed. And I'm just going to pull it out. Have a look at it. As you can see, it's installed, and I also put some anti-seize through there because the issue on my last shocks is that they all got seized, and in the bushing we're going to use, I put anti-seize, the brush all the way through it, and I got new shock bolts. And I put anti-seize on those as well. I don't know how well this is going to be for filming. I'm going to try to get this set up. The shocks are labeled left and right, so make sure you put them in the right orientation. There you have it. The Falcon shocks were really easy to install. Like I said and showed earlier in the video, if you are using the special skid guards, you need to replace the factory bolt that it has in it and replace with the one in the kit. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one.